Caster is a wheel alignment angle often affected by collision damage. Caster is the forward or rearward tilt of the steering axis when viewed from the side of the vehicle. Remember that the steering axis is an imaginary line drawn through the upper and lower pivot points of the suspension. Any changes to the pivot point positions in relation to each other will cause a change in caster. Setback is when one front wheel is moved rearward when compared to the opposite side of the vehicle. The location of the lower pivot point or ball joint is what controls the position of the wheel. Collision damage that causes setback typically causes a caster problem, since it moves the lower pivot point rearward in relation to the upper pivot point. The exception to this would be setback on a solid axle vehicle. Caster on a solid axle is built into the axle housing and would not change if one side of the axle is pushed back, unless the axle also pivots on its mounts.